Roan Pigman Fan Heater. Small and cute, simple and stylish. Simple operation, rapid heating. 2-in-1 design, warm and intimate. Hand warmer can maintain 55 degrees temperature in 40 minutes. Beep when dumping, safe and reliable. With different gear positions, you can switch the wind speed freely. Energy saving and environmental protection with automatic temperature control. Low decibel operation, ensuring your sleep quality on a quiet night. Hand warmers weigh only 80 grams, so it is convenient to carry when going out. Spend every day with you on a cold winter day.